Do you ever feel like you're in the dark when it comes to understanding what your customers really think? Many businesses struggle with this, leading to missed opportunities and unresolved issues. In this video, you will learn how to get customer feedback. Step 1. Methods for collecting customer feedback. There are several methods to collect customer feedback, each with its own benefits. Surveys and questionnaires are among the most common methods. They allow you to gather structured data and can be distributed via email, your website, or social media. Another method is through direct interviews or focus groups, which provide more detailed and nuanced insights. Additionally, monitoring social media and review sites can offer unfiltered feedback. Implementing feedback boxes in physical locations can also capture spontaneous thoughts from customers. Step 2. Designing effective feedback surveys. Creating an effective feedback survey is key to gathering useful data. Keep your survey short and to the point to avoid overwhelming your customers. Use a mix of open-ended and closed-ended questions to gather both quantitative and qualitative data. It's important to ask clear and specific questions to get actionable insights. For example, instead of asking, "How was your experience?" you might ask, "What did you like most about our product?" and "What can we improve?" Step 3. Analyzing and interpreting feedback. Once you have collected feedback, the next step is to analyze and interpret it. Look for common themes and patterns in the responses. Quantitative data can be analyzed using statistical methods, while qualitative data can be grouped into categories. Tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or specialized software can help you organize and visualize the data. This analysis will help you identify areas for improvement and prioritize actions based on customer needs. Step 4. Implementing changes based on feedback. Feedback is only valuable if you act on it. Use the insights gained from your analysis to make informed decisions and implement changes. This could mean tweaking a product feature, improving customer service, or revising your business processes. It's important to prioritize changes that will have the most significant impact on the customer satisfaction and business performance. Implementing feedback shows your customers that you value their opinions and are committed to meeting their needs. And step 5, communicating back to customers. After making changes based on feedback, it's essential to communicate back to your customers. Let them know their feedback has been heard and acted upon. This can be done through email, newsletters, social media updates, or directly on your website. Highlight the changes that you've made and express gratitude for their input. Customer feedback is not a one-time activity, but a continuous process. Establish a regular feedback loop where you consistently collect, analyze, and act on customer feedback. This ongoing process helps you stay attuned to your customers' evolving needs and preferences. Regularly updating your feedback methods and staying responsive to new insights will keep your business agile and customer-focused.